People ask us all the time, should we acquire a Glidewell Fastmill IO? And the answer is, first of all, if you have an iTero Medit scanner, it's pretty seamless integration. And yes, we love having them. In fact, we have 2 of the mills here. Why do we have that? Well, first of all, you have to understand it is not a replacement for our partner laboratories. It's an adjunct. When patients are leaving, when they have to get things done very quickly, when we have to provide provisionals, do inlays and onlays here, instead of them being sent out to laboratories, we can manufacture them and seat them same-day restorations. And with the amount of materials that you start off with that Glidewell gives you, it really becomes a very cost-effective way to produce restorations in your practice pretty seamlessly. They've got the best customer support in dentistry that's always available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. at nighttime. This has been one of the best additions to our practice, providing some great quality dentistry for our patients. And at the end of the day, for the dentists themselves, I think this is a no-brainer to add this to your restorative practice.